I've got another gadget. What is it? Hello again, I'm Nathan, you're watching Wasn't My Fault. As I said, I have something new. So what exactly is it? It's made by a company called Kiwi Design, who sent me one for purposes of testing it. So let's have a look. So Kiwi Design, as you say, battery based for Google Home Mini. Now as you know, I've got a Google Home Mini. I unboxed it and tested it on this channel quite a few months ago now. I do have two. I have a normal size Google Home, so that's the large one. I have one of those in the living room and a Google Mini in the bedroom. So this, taking the packaging out, it's a fairly simple brown box. You can see there's the device. Left inside then is an instruction booklet, which we're going to put on one side for now. So the battery in this, I said it's a battery pack. It's got a battery size of 7,800 milliamp hours, which sounds reasonable. Right, so nice packaging. I do like these kind of opaque bags. They're always nice, kind of softness to them. Okay, so it's soft, rubbery. Very nice. It's in white. Unfortunately, my Google Home is in dark grey, but that's fine. Nice white kind of light grey. Ah, there you go. It says it as well. Output and ratings and everything else. You can see that. May not be able to, but oh well. So inside we have a cable to plug into the Google Home Mini. On the outside we have a charging port and an on-off button. So let's try the on-off button. And we have charge. Yay! Fantastic. Okay. So that is, I assume, the charge indicator. Grab my Google Home Mini, which I happen to have there. So you can see, Google Home Mini, normal one, charging port on the back. The little button there is the mute button, so you can turn the microphone off so it doesn't listen to you all the time. So, see that? Alright, so charging cable goes in there. Can I do it one-handed? I can. Right, push this firmly in there, make sure it's pushed all the way. As you can see then, it has a recessed part for the cable to go back into. And that pushes nice and snug onto there. Okay, so let's turn it on. Right, so the lights stay on. It's a battery indicator when you're using it. So you can't dim the lights or anything. A little bit frustrating for a bedroom, but oh well. I can just not use the case all the time, but I mean plugging it in now. So the whole point is so you can take it places. There is also a strap on the side, so you can carry it without dropping it. So that's cool. As you can see, it is trying to connect to my network because I've obviously had it set up previously. Ding ding. Ding ding ding. Alright, there you go. It's nice that the light configuration for the battery charge matches the top of the Google. There you go. So 4 lights indicating volume. So that is a really nice touch. I like that. So let's just try it. Apologies if you have your own. I'll try and mute the words. Hey, what's the time?
12:06.
There you go. It'll work. So it's pretty good. You can hang it from a hook or something. Whole reason why I'm quite pleased I've got this, I've wanted it, because I said I have 2 Google Homes at the moment, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. If I'm listening to music, because I have everything Google, of course I would, I've got an Android phone, I can tell the home group, because you can set them up as a home group, which is kind of cool. If you don't know about that, that's easy enough information. So you can basically set up via the Google app on your phone, so you have them in a home group. So you tell it to play music on home group, or whatever you want to call it, and they'll play music on the both exactly the same music. So you can like go from room to room and have the same music. But obviously I've only got 2 and I've got several rooms, so if I'm cooking I don't have music. Now in the past I've connected my bedroom one, because I wouldn't be using that, to a Bluetooth speaker. So instead of outputting to this speaker, you can output to a Bluetooth speaker, which is really handy. So I've been doing that, and then if I'm going in the bedroom or something, I have to then disconnect the Bluetooth speaker and turn it off, and all sorts of stuff. Is a bit of a pain. But with this I can take it with me. The other advantage, if you're just using Bluetooth speaker, you can't then interact with Google. So I can't tell it to change track, change volume or anything else. You're stuck with just a speaker. So this is nice because I can just unplug it from the bedroom, because I'd obviously keep it plugged in so it wakes me up in the morning, and just take it with me to the kitchen. Just unplug it there, carry it with me because of battery, and I'm good to go. So I can use it for recipes, music, whatever I want to, alarms, timers, everything else that Google Home is good for. So that is fantastic. So have a quick look in the book, just tell us how long the battery is. So it's all the information about do's and don'ts, where to put it, don't blow it up, don't put it in too much sunlight, avoid moisture, fire, don't take it apart, handle with care, keep away from explosions and flammable liquids, blah blah blah, all the normal stuff. Yeah, how to look after it, what all the different parts are, but we've discussed that. It's got a rundown of how much charge it has for the different light configurations. So 1 is 10% low, obviously all 4 is 100%. Pretty straightforward. Once again, how to set it up, we did that without reading. Again, we find out about the battery. Right, so 7 to 8 hours to charge. Right, if you're using it to charge, and it may take 8 to 12, that's fine because we're using it. When fully charged, runtime of at least 12 hours if it's being constantly used, or more than 12 hours if it's on standby mode. That ain't bad, 12 hours. I'm not going to be using it standalone for 12 hours, I wouldn't have thought. Not usually, so that's pretty good. I'm impressed with that. So thanks a lot again, Kiwi Design. I'll leave a link in the description for the Amazon profile so you can buy your own, which is fantastic. And thanks a lot for watching. Come see me soon. Subscribe, like, everything else. Let me know what you think of it. That would be fantastic. So, bye bye.